Medical Grade Innovations presents the WellFocus System, featuring a hands-free wellness test via the Wello Station, bacteriostatic garments, and RFID chip sewn into the garments. Following this non-invasive 3-second wellness test, an individual's test data is sent to the HIPAA-compliant encrypted cloud. Fever alerts are sent in real time to the appropriate administrators for further evaluation. While cotton provides a breeding ground for harmful bacteria, our garments use silver to disrupt bacteria's regeneration cycle, thus preventing harmful bacteria from colonizing and breaking the chain of infection. Because of the Wello Station's facial detection software, core body temperature can be measured quickly and accurately without the need for contact. Since the test is recorded in real time, the Wello Station can be used as an additional barrier with alerts to possible outside infection entering your facility. With prevention, awareness, and real-time documentation, the WellFocus System helps you fight the spread of infection. The WellFocus System, keeping the well.